Thinking about breastfeeding but not sure what to expect? You're not alone. Your lactation journey is unique, and knowing what's ahead can make all the difference. Today, I'm breaking it down: what happens at each stage, what's normal, and how to navigate common challenges. Let's get started. Welcome to the colostrum phase, your baby's first superfood. Colostrum is thick, nutrient-dense, and small in quantity, but it's enough. Your baby's stomach is tiny, just the size of a cherry on day one. Frequent feeding, every 2 to 3 hours, is normal and helps establish supply. Skin-to-skin contact helps stimulate milk production. Around days 3 to 5, your milk comes in. This means breasts may feel fuller or even engorged. Use warm compresses before feeding and cool compresses after. Frequent nursing, 8 to 12 times per day, helps stabilize supply. Latching issues? A deep latch should feel like a tug, not pain. Adjust positioning if needed. If you experience cracked nipples, lanolin cream or coconut oil can help. Your body is now adjusting to your baby's needs, but expect cluster feeding. Babies feed more frequently during growth spurts. Totally normal. Milk supply regulates. Breasts may feel softer, but that doesn't mean you're losing milk. Longer stretches between feeds. Your baby becomes more efficient at nursing. If baby is gaining weight and has 6+ wet diapers daily, your supply is just fine. Whether you're returning to work, introducing a bottle, or continuing to nurse long-term, here's what to expect. Pumping becomes part of the routine. Pump at the same time each day for consistency. Some babies nurse less often but take larger feeds. If introducing solids, continue breastfeeding. It's still their main source of nutrition. Every mom faces some challenges, but here's how to overcome them. Low supply? Nurse or pump more frequently and stay hydrated. Sore nipples? Ensure a deep latch and use nipple cream. Baby refusing the breast? Try skin-to-skin contact and feeding in a calm space. Stress impacts supply, so take a deep breath. You got this. Breastfeeding is a journey, and every experience is different. Trust your body, trust your baby, and reach out for support when needed. Which stage are you in right now? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more breastfeeding and baby care tips. And check the description for breastfeeding support resources and recommended gear.